Do you have no clue on what to start working on with your new sublimation equipment? Here are a few blanks that you should consider that are very accessible in affordability, application, and general market prices. Sublimation drinkware is usually the first thought for sublimation for most people. Now, this is the go-to option for creating custom mugs and tumblers. Blanks are typically sold by the case, which keeps things affordable for small businesses, but they can also be offered as custom one-off items. These can range in material from glass to stainless steel and ceramic, as well as different styles, from shot glasses to jars and more. Now, with most drinkware being straight-walled, application is as simple as print, wrap, tape, and press. All that's required is just a heat press, like a mug press, tumbler press, or a multifunction heat press with a cylindrical attachment for drinkware. Sublecraft mugs can be purchased in quantities as low as 1 dozen, which is perfect for practice, trial runs, custom jobs, and even limited edition merch items for certain brands. While pricing varies by many factors, customized mugs generally cost around $16 to $20 each. Once you've become more acquainted with producing custom sublimation drinkware, or any blank for that matter, you could start offering these items in bulk at a price that's attractive to your customers. Of course, you'll also want to set a price that makes sense for your business. Polyester apparel is another option that makes for the easiest way to customize clothing, namely t-shirts. Now, these tees are easily sourced from most major wholesale suppliers, which typically offer polyester apparel besides t-shirts like sweaters, hats, and more. Now, these blanks paired with your sublimation transfers are ready for any standard clamshell or swing away heat press, where the application is simply print, place, and press. Now, the costs are going to vary depending on the apparel and images you're using, though around $22 to $30 is very reasonable for custom performance garments. Many popular producers actually charge much more than that. Now let's talk about blank accessories. This is an underdog choice that's very broad in its selection of items like hand towels, coasters, can cooler sleeves, and tote bags, just to name a few. Now, these can usually be sourced from the same wholesale suppliers where you get your blank apparel, though they're often easier to find from regular sublimation blank suppliers like Heat Press Nation. As these items are generally flat like apparel, they fit perfectly on standard heat presses and actually use the same application process. Now, prices will vary highly depending on the item and design. But as a general example, hand towels can range somewhere like $12 to $28 per custom piece, and a single custom keychain can be anywhere from like $7 to $15. Custom accessories make for an amazing upsell opportunity for each order and can be great tools to help you build a thriving business. Now, my last tip is to prepare mock-ups of these items or take great product photos of samples that you've already created. Show these to your clients that are seeking to build out their branding. This is a great way to increase the order value of each job and even secure new jobs for your business. It's clear why so many businesses make sublimation their next big move. The affordability and ease of customization for sublimation blanks make them big winners on simplicity and profitability. We have lots of great tutorials, demonstrations, and other content right here on our YouTube channel, with new content premiering weekly. So be sure to subscribe and hit that like button while you're at it. For more information on sublimation, blank items, machines, or heat transfer in general, visit us at heatpressnation.com.